The name of this ramen is Keun Udon. The day I did this video, I couldn't find the name anywhere. I had to search for it, but it's Keun Udon and it's very nice. How do I? Day 2. Eating ramen. It's so small, actually. What's the name of this? No English words. No English words at all. So I can't even get the name, the actual name of this one. I was actually looking for an English name here, unlike the one I had previously. Nothing in English, just he has the calories 315. So you don't open it fully, open it halfway. Stop at this. So yeah, you don't open it fully, you have to open to this arrow. And I got this. This was the only thing inside. And so this one is different. There is I don't know. There's stuff's inside. Different from the other one yesterday. So I'm gonna put this inside. Well, I don't think this is the peppery one. I don't think this is the peppery one like yesterday. I don't know. Anyway, just for it. No extra Nigerian ingredients here, just Korean, all Korean. Just want to see how this one tastes, like if it's different. Since it's a quick convenience, you don't have to be stressed for it. Then you cover it for 3 to 5 minutes. That's why you have to have 3 to 5 minutes. We wait. I saw this on YouTube. So here we go again. See? Hold it like you're right. I'm still bad at this, but I think this shouldn't move. This should move. However, the most important phase. I'll show you. Just a whole lot. This has, I think, more veggies. But I'm someone that likes pepper. Soju. You must do that. You must. I don't know how to explain it, but this, it hits differently. It's absolutely. I need to speak some Korean. Day back. Am I correct? I don't know. Masosho. Oh my god, it's just wonderful. Definitely going to speak some Korean at the end of this food. Definitely. After so many failed attempts, I came up with this. This is nice too. This is nice. I'm struggling. What's this now? Okay. This is also good. We eat regular noodles in Nigeria, right? But this for me is different. Mashoso. Sarahe machoso. The remaining will be in Korean. Stay tuned. This was lovely. Cool.